How to delete a conversation on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a conversation on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram, of course. Now click on the paper icon up there and click on this account. For example, keep clicking on the screen and now click on delete. And this is how you delete a conversation on Instagram. And now you can't turn back this conversation because you deleted this conversation. There is no option like that on Instagram. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.